hydraulic cement by Le Chatelier's apparatus. Basically, you can conduct this experiment by two methods. One is autoclave method and one is Le Chatelier's apparatus. Today we are following Le Chatelier's apparatus, which actually follows IS 4031 part 3. Means IS means Indian Standard 4031 part 3. Okay, now let's focus on various parts of this experiment. Here you can see this is actually called Le Chatelier's apparatus, having you can see here a cylindrical mold having 30 mm diameter, and its height is also same 30 mm, and you can see there is a slit 0.5 mm its gap, and this two portion, this is called needle. This is called needle, and here is the point, indicator point. Here two indicator point. Actually, we have to measure the distance between these two indicator points. Means distance between the center point of this cylinder to this point is 165 mm. It consists of two glass plate. Actually, it is non-porous and having one small lightweight. I can see the small glass cylinder for measuring water, and here is the total 300 mm scale, 30 centimeter scale for measuring the distance between two indicator points. Here you can see the gauge travel for mixing the paste. And here is the weight balance, which is maximum weight is 600 gram. And the other part of this experiment, you can see there is for oiling this glass plate, and here is a sample of cement. There is a sample of cement, you can see, and here is the water bath for submerging the assembly. You can see here, this is called water bath. Now we are going to take measurements. Here is a sample of cement. We are taking 100 gram of cement. Here already measured. Actually, it is already measured 100 gram. Okay, now we have to now calculate the amount of water. Water calculation. According to Indian Standard 4031 part 3, it is given the amount of water we should add, basically one formula 0.78 P into weighted cement, where P is standard consistency of this hydraulic cement. From the previous experiment, we found P 33%, and P is standard consistency of cement. And this experiment, very soon I will conduct this experiment also. Now you just take the value of P is 33%, and now calculate the whole 0.78 into 33 into weighted cement, means we have taken here 100 gram cement. So the calculation is the quantity of water is 25.74 gram, and this 25.7 here we are measuring with the help of this Borosil cylindrical glass. Here we are taking the measurement. Actually, it is also measured previously 25.74 gram.
No.
Okay, now we are mixing this paste and the 100 gram cement, and now we have to add water here. Be careful one thing, before filling the cylindrical mold, you should oil it first. You can see here I am oiling the inside area of this cylindrical mold. And the top surface of this glass, two glasses basically there. Okay, here we have done our job, light oiling, and now we'll mix it. Add water. Mix it thoroughly. Our mixing is nearly completed. Paste is complete. Now we have to fill this cylinder with this paste. We are filling. Okay, our filling is complete. Now place the upper non-porous glass plate. Here is, and now place the lightweight top on this glass plate. Now one thing, we can hold the assembly tightly so that the cement cannot leak out from the bottom of this mold. Now we are going to place this assembly into the water bath. Here you can see the water bath, and submerge the whole assembly into the water bath. Here I am placing. Be careful in that time, and cover it up for 24 hours. And we have to keep this assembly for 24 hours. Okay, we will see again after 24 hours. Okay, now 24 hours already over. And now we are taking out this whole assembly from this water bath. Take it easily. Now 15 mm. Okay. note down the value. Distance between two indicator points is 15 mm. Take it as L1. Previously calculated measurement between these two indicator points is 15 mm. Now we have to submerge this whole assembly again into this water bath. Plug in the switch. Now you have to set from this position you can set the temperature value in boiling temperature, means above 100 degrees Celsius. Now switch in this water bath. Here you can see the reading, and you can set here you can set the value from 0 degree to 110 degrees Celsius. For set up the value, you should press this push. You can see here written push, press and push, and set this value rotating this knob. You can see if I rotate this clockwise, then the value will decrease. You can 85, 84, and if you do the same in anti-clockwise, now value is rising, it will increase. And now set it you can see here is boiling temperature 100 degrees Celsius, and we set up here. Now the room temperature is 80. Wait. One thing remember, this whole experiment should be done in 27 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here you can see now the temperature is 29.9. It will be started to increase up to the 100 degrees Celsius. And one thing remember, this whole procedure should be done within half an hour. Means bring this water temperature in 100 degrees Celsius within half hour, and then keep it allow into the water bath for 3 hours. Here you can see now reading is 30.5, and within half hour it should be gaining 100 degrees Celsius. After half hour we have to wait for 3 hours. Okay, then we'll see after 3 hours. Okay, now time's over. You can see here was its boiling point, and now we have to wait for 3 hours. Okay, it's time over 3 hours. Now we have to switch off. You can see water is now in boiling temperature and so much hot, so you have to careful enough take out this assembly with the help of gloves. So you can see, take out this.
It's too much hot.
After taking out this assembly from the water bath, allow it to cool in room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. And already it is now in room temperature, and now we have to measure the distance between two indicator points again. Here you can see is 18 mm. 18 mm. Last thing, you can see the final result. Just remove the top weight glass plate and top and bottom glass plate. And stretch it slight. You can see the result final. The benefits of oiling is that so that the cement paste and the glass plate can be removed easily, and that's why we oiling it previously.
Sure.
Now let's check the calculation part. It is a sample OPC 43. This is cement type, water at 0.78 P. Here we have taken 33% into weight of cement. Weight of cement is 100 gram, and we found 25.78 gram. Distance between two indicator point means L1. After 24 hours, we got 15 mm. After 3 hours, again the distance L2, we got 18 mm. Simply soundness of cement is measured the difference between these two measurements. Between these two measurements means L1 and L2. Here we get L2 minus L1, L2 minus L1, we get 18 minus 15 equals to 3 millimeter, and 3 millimeter is less than 10 millimeter. Maximum soundness of cement should be ranged below 10 millimeter. Our result we get 3 millimeter, so it is less than 10 millimeter. Hence, the experiment is okay. And here is I have done only one experiment, that is trial one. We found 3 millimeter as a result, and you have to do the same experiment trial 2, trial 3, minimum 3 trial you have to do, or you can do as you wish. Suppose first trial we get 3 millimeter as a result, and trial 2 take 4 millimeter as a result, and trial 4 take 2 millimeter as a result. Then we will get final result. Final result will be the average of these 3 trial, means average of these 3 value, means 3 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 3 equals to 3 mm. 3 mm will be the correct value of this experiment, soundness test, which is less than 10. Actually this trial 2 and trial 3 you have to calculate this portion and make a report on this experiment and submit it to the assigned faculty or to me. You understood the whole experiment. If you have any doubts, any question about this experiment, you can ask me or you can call me. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next experiment, next video. Okay, thank you.